Harvester Bill here with this week's tip, sales tip. This is a sales tip for you folks out there trying to build your business. The 2 at 200. The heck is that? Well, a 2 at 200 sales campaign, this is one of Harvester Ed's best practices. And I love this best practice. I love Harvester Ed as well. And this is one that we've used with most of all of our clients. And here's how it works. You scout out some jobs. You do like a little reconnaissance, looking at jobs you want to take care of, but you don't take care of right now. This would be based upon size, location. You want to find out who's doing it now, who's performing the services, and who's managing it now, approximate value, maybe even discover any pain points that you observe on the job. Next, you're going to start the 2 at 200 campaign. You're going to approach the potential customer, appropriately and consistently. And over time, you're going to position yourself as number 2. So if the incumbent person is providing the service, if and when they do fail, they're going to call you as number 2 backup. This is a long-term scouting and sales campaign that really works. Click below for a copy of the 2 at 200 campaign. Harvester Bill here with this week's tip.